everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of Godrej Properties' new launch project, the Infinium Tower at Godrej Reserve, located bang on Western Express Highway, Kandivali East. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the sales office. And to my right, we have the actual land parcel of our project. In this video, we will be talking about points like project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. Talking about the project overview, the Infinium will be constructed on a land parcel of 18.5 acres consisting of 6 towers that will be developed phase-wise. Phase 1 already launched and now launching new tower of ground plus 51 residential stories having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Talking about the location and connectivity, this project is located right opposite Grovel Mall, Kandivali East, from where Grovel's Mall is only 100 meters, Metro Station is only 300 meters and Kandivali Station is only 500 meters away from the project. Also, to know more properties in this location, don't forget to click on the I button. Talking about the amenities, this project's amenities is divided into 4 parts. First, we have the Green Acres. Total 3.5 acres open space on the podium level. Second, we have the Tropical Oasis, which includes 6 different types of swimming pool, also 2 different time temperature control pools and an aqua gym. Third, we have the Forest Retreat. Total 2.5 acres open space and amenities on Mother Earth. Last but not the least, we have the Spring Terraces, which is the Godrej Reserve 4-level clubhouse, a 57,000 square feet clubhouse which includes all your premium amenities and also one of the biggest clubhouse of Mumbai. Coming to the carpet area, this project has 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences with 2 BHK carpet area ranging between 770 and 830 square feet, 3 BHK carpet area ranging between 1140 to 1450 plus square feet and 4 BHK carpet area of 2000 plus square feet. Also, you have Jodi option available. Now, let's talk about the booking process. The booking windows for this project is now open. The client can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the 3D model, will also give you the plans and pricing and will also show you the sample flat. And then if the client likes the project, they can participate in expression of interest EOI and can avail multiple benefits. Amount for EOI for 3 BHK is 5.49 lakhs and for 4 BHK is 7.74 lakhs. The EOI will have multiple benefits like exclusive launch discount, unit allocation, which means customer can choose their respective flat and confirm the booking.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.